Today in this video I would like to share a hair growth secret gel. It promotes hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. It may also help prevent premature graying of hair. Omega-3 may help prevent hair loss and thinning of hair, as well as dry scalp and even dandruff. These nutrients boost hair growth and help them grow stronger and longer. Flaxseed. Take 2 tablespoons flaxseed. Take a pan with 1 cup of water. Put flaxseed to the water. Mix it well and boil in medium flame. When the water turns into a sticky consistency, turn off flame. Strain this gel instantly. Take 3 tablespoons flaxseed gel in a bowl. Hibiscus gel. Add 2 tablespoons hibiscus gel. Mix well. Let's see how to use. Apply this gel to your scalp and hair. Massage and keep it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash off using normal water. You can keep leftover gel in the fridge. Apply this hair gel daily for best result.